Restoration of antique furniture. An antique piece of furniture carries traditional Chinese culture and aesthetics, embodying ancient meanings and thoughts passed down through centuries. As a vital part of traditional Chinese culture, antique furniture reflects rich local cultural characteristics. Therefore, restoring antique furniture holds significant meanings. Restoring antique furniture differs from regular carpentry work, requiring craftsmen to possess comprehensive skills. The restoration process is intricate. Due to its long history, antique furniture often suffers from issues caused by excessive use and weathering. To restore the furniture, a restoration plan must be formulated based on the origin of the materials and the cultural and traditional significance of the piece. The subsequent steps include disassembly, cleaning, fumigation, stripping paint, selecting and matching materials, repairing, sanding, and finishing the surface. This process restores the broken structure and revives its original appearance. During the restoration, many artists also add designs to the furniture. They creatively incorporate the damaged areas into their designs, transforming the antique furniture into a new piece of art that carries historical significance while offering new artistic value. Today, traditional furniture has gradually faded from everyday life. Many young people are not willing to do this work, for it is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The transmission of traditional craftsmanship is not just about skills but also the cultural and spiritual legacy, requiring a deep commitment of thought and emotion.